Imagine waking up to the world of possibilities where every day feels like a new chance to live your life to the fullest. With the excellence of L&T, presenting to you Rejuve 360 by L&T Realty, located in the heart of Mulund. With a legacy of excellence, growth and development in India's infrastructure and industrial development, over 80 years, L&T has set a mark which is undeniable by all. And this project is located near the Eastern Expressway and LBS Road. So you can see this project offers excellent connectivity with the proposed Metro Line 4 at just a minute away. And so is Suryodaya Road, that is just 200 meters, and Jain Temple at a walking distance. Talking about the Mulund railway station and other bus stops, they are also at a near distance, and renowned schools and hospitals like St. Mary's and St. Xavier's is just approximately 10 to 15 minutes away, and so is Fortis Hospital and Lotus Multi-Speciality Hospital at a distance of approximately 10 minutes. So this is all about the connectivity. Now I shall give you the project overview and show you the model. So this is our model, and the project is spread across 22 acres of land in which you get commercial and residential property together. So you can see they have a big project in hand. This is a G plus 67-story building in which you get 7 levels of ample podium parking and 3 levels of amenities, and then you have your habitable floor starting from that. And give you an overview of the amenities. So we have a whole freehold land for your amenities too. We have temperature controlled pool with aqua gym, multi-purpose court and kids play area, barbecue place given to you, senior citizens area. So you get all the premium and luxury amenities here. You name it and you have it. So this was about the project overview, location and amenities. Now I shall move you towards the sample flat. Let's go. So now we are entering into our 2 BHK sample flat. यहाँ से आपका foyer area आ जाता है for your space and privacy. Moving in, this is our huge and very spacious, beautiful looking living room with our living area. यहाँ पर आपको TV set, couch and आपका ऐसे sitting area decorate कर सकते हैं. Right next we have our individual dining space also. You can see how beautifully it is decorated. The carpet area for the whole apartment is 612 square feet. Moving now towards our kitchen. So this is our double platform kitchen. आपको granite मिलता है and you get your duct utility space given to you right outside. यहाँ पर compartments के लिए you get enough space and refrigerator space also given to you. Moving on, right in front we have our common washroom where again vitrified tiling and very spacious it is, and premium fittings मिल जाती है with utility area given to you. Moving on now to our common bedroom number 1, or you can say your kids bedroom. So this is our very spacious kids bedroom. As you can see, for your kids or your guests, it is very spacious, comes with French windows for ventilation, and you get enough space for your wardrobe and your TV set given to you. So now this is a butterfly layout house. So I will show you our master bedroom across the living room. So entering into our master bedroom, again, as you can see, it is very spacious and also comes with French windows for ventilation. From your flat, you can enjoy the view of Vashi Creek, Airoli and Atal Setu if the air is clean, and you get the beautiful view from your 65th floor. Again comes with attached washroom, as you can see, and you get utility area also attached to your washroom, vitrified tiling and branded fittings given to you the same way. So this was my 2 BHK sample flat, and the pricing here for 2 BHK is starting from 1.95 CR all inclusive, and 3 BHK is starting from 3.55 CR all inclusive. For more details and booking purpose, contact us today on the given information below.